Are you prepared for fall this year? I'm Shelley Holtz with the Holz Group at Keller Williams, and today I'm going to be sharing the top 5 fall maintenance tips to protect your home. When we come in to meet with home sellers and homeowners, whether it's selling and or just giving them tips on return on investment for projects, we oftentimes find some basic maintenance tips get forgotten, and it can cause damage to the property down the road that we want you to avoid. So as you're preparing for fall this year, keep in mind these 5 top home maintenance tips for fall. Number 1, make sure to rake all of your leaves and aerate your lawn in the fall. So much easier to do it before that summer, springs, melt of all the snow comes, and then you have a layer of leaves because you didn't get to the project in time. So be sure to take the extra time this fall, take care of those leaves, aerate the lawn, and you'll be ready for spring when the snow goes away. Number 2, make sure to clean and inspect your chimney flues, especially if you have a wood-burning fireplace. I know it's hard to believe winter's right around the corner, and wood-burning fireplaces are amazing and great, but making sure they're cleaned and inspected before we start those fires are crucial to safety in the home and enjoying those fires all winter long. Number 3 is really make sure that you've blown out your sprinkler heads and blown out your spigots and winterized your spigots for the winter season. We want to make sure that you don't have any water issues or water damage because the pipes in your spigots freeze or your sprinkler system underground freezes with the cold temps that are right around the corner. Number 4 is make sure to just mud and or fill in any cracks in the driveway. With the snow coming on the horizon and ice on our driveway, those cracks will only get bigger and harder to take care of. So take care of it now and prevent any major maintenance in the future, because we certainly don't want you putting in a new driveway. And the last one, number 5, is do a simple and easy furnace tune-up and clean. So many times people have issues with their furnace in the cold dead of winter when all of the furnace companies and HVAC companies are busy. Now is the time to just do that simple cleaning and tune-up when you know you're going to be using that furnace more often. Those are our 5 simple, easy fall maintenance tips for any homeowner to take care of. And if you're thinking of buying or selling on the horizon, reach out and ask us about the market. We'd be honored to talk to you about what we're seeing and forecasting for the months and or year ahead. And if you're just thinking about staying and enjoying, but curious on a different home improvement project or doing something around the house and just want to know what your return on investment would be, reach out and ask us. We are honored to be a resource, whether you're selling or staying.